you like that?
Yeah.
Look at that. You gotta have Daddy open. Oh!
All right, Gretchen. Stop your tearing the paper. Wow.
This is the same size as
Tell me. Can you tell Mom what you got? Okay, we gotta get her out of there. Don't worry. Oh, it's not a secret. Ava, what did you get? You get a Barbie horse and a Barbie. Nice. Say thank you to Aunt Shell.
Okay, start her walking. Camera's rolling.
Alright, we gotta have the thing hold her on there.
No.
Okay. Then get out of the way, Ava. Let her go. Look at her go. Look at Barbie.
Oh, she's gonna take a header.
Aunt Shell's giving when the legs are going out, hold them. Look at his mouth, Jack. Let the legs move.
Look at his mouth. No.
Wow, that's cool. Hey, push the button. One button at a time. See? Now push the other button.
Push the other button now.
Now let go. Don't push them both at the same time. One button at a time. Oh, God.
I think he's trying to take it to Daddy and show him.